Hey guys, so this is my BLOX 2.0 anniversary special review. I said review because it is not going to be review as such. It is not a new product, guys. They're doing 6 months anniversary, like a special offer. Okay, BLOX and BLOX 2.0. BLOX 2.0 was released 6 months ago. As I said, I did review this product when it was released 6 months ago. Attach the link to my full review and demo of BLOX 2.0 below this video in the description box. I would encourage you to check out my review on it if you want full details on this BLOX 2.0 product. Right, okay, it's oh my goodness, it's a very in-depth actually review. I was quite excited to be sharing this product, which I have right in front of me. I did purchase it myself, guys. There's a lot to show in the members area. You have the full training course on how to create the system yourself from scratch in case you don't want to pay for done for you monthly. Okay, there's ready-made systems. They have ready-made systems that you can use and use the system to promote any product you want, really. The vendors Mark Bishop and John Merrick have been working on this product for years. It's, I don't know, 5-6 years ago when they first came up with this idea of building this unique, as they call it, unique, innovative, and weird system. Okay, because essentially what you're doing here with the system, you build your blog system, which is going to be an entire complete product on its own, beautifully packaged, and you actually use this system called BLOX to promote any product that is coming to the market. Okay, that is currently being searched and looked for. So it's sort of like launch jacking, but I wouldn't call it reversed launch jacking, because reverse launch jacking is more like you review a product and you do more of a critical review, and at the end of the day you say, I wouldn't encourage you to buy this product because in my opinion it has like hardly any value in it, but I would encourage, in case you want to start making, some real decent money online with a genuine system, I can send you to the product I have used myself, the training course I have used myself, and which has helped me make money online. And if you have a proven product that has worked for you, you can make it your own core offer and send the traffic to that offer, okay, by doing a critical review. So that's called reverse launch jacking. Well, in case of this system, it's sort of also reverse, but in a way that you send the traffic to your BLOX system that you would create, okay, following this training course, or by going for one of the ready-made systems. You have beautiful systems, okay, you will be sending the traffic to. And the way it is structured, as you can see, you have they call it BLOX magnet, okay? So like you have a lead magnet, so a product that you give away for free, so people can opt into your list, and this is for you a great way to grow your email list. It's called a lead magnet. Here they call it BLOX magnet because you kind of give it away for free. You say this is free, but the whole pitch system they build around it will actually make people who want your beautiful blog system, very tempting, okay? That's why it's very smartly done. If they want it for sort of free, they will need to buy the product that is currently launching and choose a decent product, not a scammy product that is currently coming to the market, okay? That is being launched, that is being released. Choose a decent product. And again, I wish to emphasize it, don't, even though like your buyers who want your blog system, your free blocks magnet would be happy to just, you know, pay for any product, because they, at the end of the day, they would not be interested in that product as such, because your blocks magnet would be way more attractive for them, so that they would not even pay attention to the product they officially purchased, right? But to me, because I want to always, you know, add extra value to anything, any promotions, I would pick a product that is also valuable under this pitch system, where you would have your affiliate link to that product. And, you know, it's a whole system. It's a lot to explain, guys. I go in great detail in my BLOX 2.0 review as to how you would build it, what it looks like, and all of that. So watch that review for full details. Now I want to shoot a quick video to let you know about this offer, okay? So there you go. It's like you have the pitch system, flip page, and the creation page and the thank you page, all of that. And it's also connected with your Aweber account. It's a fantastic system, really, really fantastic Evergreen system. Again, they've worked on it for quite a few years. And yeah, today on the 27th of November for the whole week, they'll be running the special BLOX anniversary, 6 months anniversary, which you can get into the front end for as little as, let me see, as little as $23. So, you know, in this front end alone, in the training, they do show you how to build the block system. Should you feel like you want to do it from scratch yourself, you can do it, unless you want the shortcut done for you stuff. There are also some upsells available for you. It's so much in the I do remember now, it's because I did the review about this 6 months ago. Like, the case studies are here. The blocks profit maximizer is one of the upsells. Here are the upsells, you know, as you see, down, all the way down to the blocks agency. Really, really like Evergreen, amazing, amazing product. Okay, guys, check it out. Okay, I'll attach the link to the sales page below my review. And also I'll put my full review of BLOX 2.0 under this video as well in the description box. You know, watch it and then make up your mind if that's something, you know, you would want to get, you would want to buy and make use of. Obviously, don't just buy and allow it to collect digital dust. Put the beast into action. Alright, guys, love you and leave you. I shall see you very soon. Bye bye.